So this stuff is basically diluted. It's not very strong. It's meant to use as either you can dilute it with water further, spray it on, and use it as basically a metal treatment or metal etch before you prime, or you can use it full strength to treat rust, but they say to let it dry, so that's why I let it dry. I've used it numerous times. I knew what it was going to do. They say, well, I don't remember what they say, I'm not going to read it again, but I always just let it dry on there and then wire wheel and resand it. I never want to prime over that stuff because I don't really know what it's going to do. But when you can see how the metal's got that rainbow-ish look, that's when it's diluted and used as a metal treatment. But this was all surface rust, and I just kept soaking it and scrubbing it with Scotch-Brite and a brush and repeating until it got it all clean. And this was all rust. You can see where the rust was here. So it does work. It just takes a little time. So I've got all the rust off this. Now I can just sand it and epoxy it.
It's loose. I loosened it up.
Oh, it's loose. Anyway, as you can see, this is mounted. There's a bracket back there you can't see. Jimmy doesn't want anybody to see it. So that's all done there.
Took out the bottom bolts in there.
I don't know how that works. I haven't been any part of that.
I think I might make new sandpaper.
You what?
I think I might need a new piece of sandpaper.
Well, you gotta use the grit side, not the sticky side.
You'll learn all my...
Anyway, now that Angel's got that hood handled, I moved on to this fender. As you can see, it's extra tasty. So Jimmy's throwing that new vintage air unit on the ground, and I think I'm just gonna pretty much stop at this point here and just 415 this. Everybody's favorite stuff. Because I'm not going to do what I did to the bottom of the hood on this, because that took forever and I don't want to. But anyway, I wire wheeled it, sanded it. It's pretty rusty. It needs blasted. How many times have I said that about stuff on this car? None. So, yeah, that's that. And, yeah, firewall's done. Probably already said that in the last video I made that I didn't make. And he even finally ground off that one down there. So yeah, I guess that's that. So once you get your can of 415 opened up, just go ahead and stir it really well. We'll get going with that now. I need to get a view of this.
You're getting a view of it.
Yeah, I need everyone to just take note.
Take notes.
Take some notes.
Yeah, some of us are still working.
I see everybody taking notes.
You gotta get the big deal.
It's looking pretty tasty. It's very crunchy up here.
Wow, you didn't tell me that.
Well, nobody told me about that. How do you miss it? You're obviously bedlighting right here and it's going up here. Nope, no rust. Hey, I'm not saying, I'm just saying.
I'm saying, all right.
With your light. We're not sure if there's going to be anything left right here when we clean this up. It's pretty thin and crunchy. You hear that? I'm pushing it. Oh, well, that's not good. Anyways.
Like, have you ever had Captain Crunch?
Right.
That is not.
Not sure what that's going to entail, but we'll let you know. Treating some rust in here. There's a jam. And over there. And over there.
That was a good idea to give it a little. Oh.
What do you got going on there, sir? Let me order every quarter panel and you can just cut the back of it off.
I don't even know if I can get to it.
Yeah, I know this. Oh, your battery's dead? Oh, good. Then there's one on the charger right here. I got you all set up here, sir. Just excuse me while I get this battery for. Oh, there you go.
Oh, thanks. Wow. Yeah, I'm gonna need a.
Oh, you're gonna need an air chisel.
Let's
All the way through. What exactly happened here? Why is there a hole?
I don't know.
We can't get the camera in here.
This end is fucking like this far away.
Yeah, I know. It's not even close to touching
Like
this.
if you look from the end.
Well, that's
that.
getting pretty
Yeah,
crunchy
yeah.
right there.
I can't even get this the wire wheel to this. Like I don't understand.
Help me understand
Right, what happened?
why this car is here. I mean, why
What happened?
this rust-free car has rust everywhere?
I told you there was a mud puddle on this side in the desert.
Right. Must have been parked too close to the lawn there watering.
Maybe I should stop doing
Huh?
I said maybe I should stop doing this. It's like they just packed this full of.
Well, sir, that's... When you say they, we're talking about General Motors here.
I don't know if that. They couldn't have gotten that. Look at that side. You see that? This side, like that.
Well, none of this has been replaced. I think the rust just got in there and separated
Rust
it.
jacked it.
Yep.
Oh, rust jacking. Now we're like fucking semi-frames.
This quarter hasn't been changed on.
I didn't say they changed on our ass. I didn't mean it that way. It is weird that there's Bondo down here.
There it is?
I don't know. It sounded good.
Here, I can get a good view from over here, actually. Get the light going straight up. Yeah, that's looking tasty.
Can you see behind it? Like through?
Well, kinda. I don't know what I'm seeing, but...
Neither does anybody else.
No, I think what we'll do is we'll just clean it up. I'll,
Hit it. And
get that off of there, because that's irritating me. I don't know if we can... We can hit that up a little bit after it gets some 415 behind it. And then maybe
I need to
seam,
get this off.
seam seal the edge,
Maybe
maybe.
a scraper.
I don't know. What do you mean by scraper exactly?
Well, something to scrape this off back here. Let me just get the light.
Oh, you mean like a scraper? How's the light work?
Pretty good. That's what I'm. Or that screwdriver. Whatever.
Oh, a screwdriver. That's what you meant by scraper.
Oh, inside?
Upside down. Yep, that's tasty. This looks even worse on camera than it does in person. Not really. It's about what it looks like, honestly. Oh, that's not right.
I think I got a new job. I just hold the light.
Anyway, let's just look at the seam down here again. That might need something to protect it. But,
This spot.
yeah.
See, I'm getting good at this highlighting.
Right, you really are.
Stepping up.
So yeah, that's not really sure how to really fix that, to be honest. Well, I mean, I know how to fix it. I don't know how we're gonna fix it, is what I meant to say. So we're not taking the quarter panel off, and
Well, that seems more challenging.
well, you want to just cut it here, take this piece off, fix that rust, and then
Put that piece right back
put it right back on.
No, don't forget.
Oh yeah. Well, unless you don't want to, we could just cut it here.
4, man. 5 of those. Oh, that's tasty. There's probably none under here.
Well, if there was, they're not doing anything now.
Oh boy. Maybe we can go through there. Oh,
Well, you can get to the rest of the piece in here.
yeah. Just lay upside down. Do a little zzz.
Well, you don't really have to lay it upside down because it's on the bottom.
Oh, so I'm gonna stand up here.
You just stand up in the trunk. Be a piece of cake. Finally got the experts working as a team. About time. I don't want to make a video because there's nothing to show. But I feel like I should at least put one up every week, even if nobody's watching them, which, looking at the views, nobody's watching them. I don't blame them. Where do we stand? Hood, bottom of the hood, ready for epoxy. Jim's fitting the Ring Brothers trunk hinges here, which those are. We just got them taped up so we don't mess them up. Then he's got to fix this rust we found here. And currently I'm scraping all this dried up seam sealer. This stuff just flakes right off, like sun-baked. Some of it flakes right off. This big stuff takes a little work to get off. I'm gonna break all that stuff up, take off the big chunks. The roof is scraped. I'm ready to DA that with like 180, put some etch primer on it, just bomb can stuff, and then put sound deadening on it, or fake Dynamat, whatever. I thought it was Fat Mat, but apparently I have Kill Mat. It's probably all the same, except for the Dynamat stuff's obviously better, but something on there so, you know, it's not things. I got the pedals out. I cleaned up under here. It was all surface rusted. So I put some Pour 15 there. I'm just scraping up all of this. And look at the way this fits. And then look, you can see the gap out through the tunnel and then back into the car. This has already been bed lined under there, so I guess that's just gonna stay like that. I'll seam seal the outside before I do whatever I'm gonna do on the floor here. So, that's where we are here. Not much progress. I mean, I've been working on it, but nothing big and exciting to show. I got this Harbor Freight refrigerated air dryer, so we'll try to get that hooked up. And you know, according to YouTube land, they work pretty good. My luck, it won't work, but we'll see. And so yeah, I'm gonna keep scraping away at this floor and probably make a video with what I have here. And I'm just trying to get all the dirty stuff like this done. I'm not gonna paint the floor right now. I just want to be done cleaning up the messy stuff. So yeah, I'm gonna sound dead in that. That'll be done. The floor, thinking I might do something on it. I'm not gonna say in case I don't do it, but definitely gonna do something on the floor. And yeah, I just want to get some epoxy on this stuff. Start doing some body work. I cleaned up some of the rust inside the cowl, the back side of the firewall in here, both sides. It's rusty. Yeah, so anyway, that's where we are here.